Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a vacation hair styled look. I wanted to try a wet look today. I thought this would be perfect for vacation and the beach, so let's get right into it. The unit we're using today is from Julia Hair, and this is their HD lace closure wig. This is a 5x5 wig, and this lace is HD lace, you guys, and I absolutely love this lace. It does come pre-plucked. I did go in and bleach the knots, so this is how it's looking like fresh out of the box, and that's the sides as well. I thought the wig fit my hair perfectly, and the hair is 22 inches, and this is the natural texture. So this is how the wig looks on the inside, and the first thing I'm going to do is go in and pluck the front a little bit. So I'm going to spray it down with some water as usual just to wet it. It makes the knots come out easier. And now I'm just going to take my tweezer and tweeze it across the front. Now you don't want to tweeze this too much. Just tweeze it just enough to where you have that really nice natural density, okay? I wanted this to lay so good and look like scalp, you guys. So make sure you pluck that well and leave enough hair in the front for your baby hair. So now we're going to get into installing. I have on my wig grip. I will link this below. I'm going to take some alcohol and just clean off my forehead in the areas where I'm going to apply glue. And this wig grip, I like using it because it keeps my wigs from sliding. It's like that extra layer of security. Like, you guys, I literally can't wear my wigs without it because they feel like, I don't know, this just makes my wigs feel so secure. So now we're going to slide it on. I'm just looking at the lace placement and looking at how everything is going to look. As you guys can see, like, it's going to melt, you guys. It's going to look so good. I can just tell. And now I'm going to go in and do my fake ball cap method. And basically, you just want to take some powder foundation that's a little lighter than your skin to mimic your scalp color, and then you just want to apply that right on top of your hair. I've been doing this method for a while now, you guys, because I literally can't wear ball caps, and this method works really good for me. It hides my hair, and it just makes everything look nice and natural without all that extra layer of cap. So now I'm going to be using my Almighty Bond lace glue. As you guys know, I love this glue. Nothing is better than this, so get you guys some. I'm gonna do 2 thin layers right across my hair, and then I'm just gonna smooth that out. It's really simple to use, you guys. I'm telling y'all, it's like the best glue ever. So once you smooth out one layer, you just want to go in and add another layer, and once it's dry, clear, you want to go ahead and apply your lace. So now we're going to apply the lace, and you want to carefully place it right on top of your glue. And I just love 5x5 closures because they're so fast and so easy, and they just, I don't know, it's such a beginner friendly type of wig. Like, I love it. And look at that, it's giving scalp. So now I'm going to go in and cut off my lace, and I will have these scissors linked below because you guys always ask about them. They work awesome for cutting your lace. They're perfect, you guys. So as you guys can see, it is so melty. Like, I'm loving this HD lace, y'all. I don't know if I could go back to regular lace. I just don't know, because the HD lace is just, oh my God, it's so good. So now I'm going to part off my section of hair where I'm going to make my baby hairs. And I didn't want my baby hairs too thick. I kind of want them like more on the natural side. So once I take out my baby hairs, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mousse just to help form the hair in the direction that I want, because it's kind of puffy because it's so much big curly hair That's why today I kind of wanted to do a wet look. I wanted to do the hair very defined. So now I'm just going to use my blow dryer just to press everything back and get my hair nice and flat. And then I'm going to go in and apply my elastic band. Now let this elastic band sit on for about 10 minutes. And once I took it off, you guys, look how melty that is. Like, you honestly don't really need baby hairs for this wig, but you guys know I got to do baby hair. But you really don't need it because it literally looks like your hair. And I'm using some Eco Styler, and I'm just going to mold my baby hairs before I cut them, just so I can get an idea of how they're going to look. I never cut my baby hair first. I always mold it first and then cut it. And this way, it'll help me prevent any mistakes. And I won't, you know, overdo the baby hair. I like this method because it really just helps you get the perfect baby hair every time. And you want to use a little eyebrow razor just to cut your baby hair so the baby hairs aren't too blunt. You want them to be nice and, you know, smooth and frayed. You don't want blunt cut baby hairs because it looks so fake, y'all, and they're harder to shape. So yeah, you guys, so just, you know, play with your baby hair and shape them how you want them. You know, you can do a lot, you can do a little. You can, you know, totally do your baby hair exactly how you want. But I think I'm going to stop here. I think those look good enough. And now I'm just repositioning my wig. Okay, getting a good look at it. And you guys, I really love it. This hair is so soft and beautiful, you guys. It's so pretty. So now we're going to go in and co-wash our hair. And this is how it looked when I was done co-washing it, you guys. Like, the hair is gorgeous. It's really pretty. Like I said, perfect for vacation. And now I'm just gonna, you know, smooth out the hair before I go in and start adding my products, okay? You just want to make sure all the tangles are out. But this hair really didn't tangle, you guys. It was so nice and smooth and just buttery. And all that was in my hair at this point was just water and conditioner, okay? So, yeah, I'm just going through and smoothing my hair out, removing any tangles. And honestly, you guys, this hair just, it's like butter. It's so soft and so pretty. Tell me this hair isn't perfect for a vacation. Like, it's so cute. It's giving me chilly vibes. It's just, it's super pretty, okay? And I do really like the density of this hair. It's definitely giving you natural vibes. It's not too thick or too thin. It's just like the perfect amount of hair, and it's the perfect length. It's really nice, you guys. Like, if you're interested in this wig, I will have it linked below. And now we're gonna go in and add our styler. We're using the Edge Booster Gel, and I didn't use a whole lot, and I just rubbed that in both hands, and I'm just gonna apply that into my wet hair, okay? You just want to apply that all over the hair and kind of just like rake it through. And this is just going to help your hair have that defined look and have that wet look. You just want to roll that through your hair, and then you just want to scrunch it a little bit, and you just want to let that dry. Now, this gel is definitely going to allow your hair to look wet even after it's dry. So this is the finished look once it's dry. As you guys can see, it still has that really pretty wet look. And you have to add your glasses, okay? Because it won't be a vacation look without the glasses. And you guys, I just love this hair. Again, if you're interested in this unit, it will be linked below. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.